I spent the past
I wish
year.
it was faster. Oh my god. Enter this.
Link.
Yeah, yeah,
MR streamer link please. MR streamer link.
Okay.
Top chat.
I like how Link changed to top chat. My gosh. Hey, Haskars and super cool fellow top chapters. Yo ho. Yo ho. Alright. Goodbye, game. We continue tomorrow. We continue that tomorrow. We continue that tomorrow. Who cares? Okay. Chronicon, render doc, very poggy, smart doggies. I keep that open. Actually, I should delete or close it because it's literally wasting space. Memory. For coder. VS Code. Fuck! Made a mistake. What do I do? Collisions? I did not change the title. I didn't change the title, guys. Hello, stream and the software and game dev category. Oh, hello, Schumann. Nice that you joined me. I hope you have a good time in my chat. Thank you very much for joining. I appreciate that support. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, master.
I did not change my title, guys. I'm a dumbass. Can I still do that? Main menu is wrong. Or maybe we can do like an options menu real quick.
Why did you rush opening YouTube, Ham?
Why did I rush? Because I have too much to do. I have too much to do today. Okay, we're gonna add obstacles.
Get over here!
Ah, someone followed me on Twitch. Thank you, bro. And for that, I want to pick up some of these obstacles that he said. Like, for example, this. We are drawing that. Or a tree stump is also nice. We are going to draw these two things. And maybe that log too. Might as well draw them over here. Let's start with this log, which is 32 by 32, it looks like. Okay, so it's a log. I have to make sure that the outline is well defined. Meaning that I'll probably do an outline like this. I was also thinking if I should just draw these things off stream. You know? Because they literally have nothing to do with programming. But then again, I thought, well, they are part of game development. So what should I do? Right? Hascast, do you know which color I can pick to make it look like there's actual darkness going on in there? Because look, that doesn't look like it's darkness. Maybe I need to do dithering? Because this... and it doesn't look like it's darkness going on. No, not at all. The brown I have is just not good enough for that. Don't have experience in pixel art. Okay. Eh? What is this? In my opinion, this is too bright. The learning. Are you happy with progress on stream? We have the HTML equipment today. It's going to be a good week. Is it going to be a good week? Yeah, I think I'm happy. I wish I was a bit faster because I literally don't have that many days left till this month is over, and I want to have at least a new version on Steam by the end of the month. Yeah, I wish I was faster. What are we listening to right now? Oh, I see.
Skip.
You think it's not good? Kinda weird, right? Breath of the Wild song from there.
Think of the nice warm cozy fire you could start with that log.
I have literally no idea what I'm doing, bro. I don't know. I suppose this is okay. I think that the bright color is too bright. That's what I'm thinking. And if it was less bright, it would look more realistic. But right now it looks like... Hey, Astro Boy. Hello there. Right now it looks like cringe. Fuck. Steam. Yeah, sadly that only works on Twitch, but I'll give you the link. Now, this is my tower defense game that I'm working on. It's fine, we'll keep it like this. Maybe add like in a tiny bit of highlights here and there, but not too many. Okay. First one is done. Okay, I saw your video where you talked about when you started programming in C++. Oh, cool. Hey, Code Red Games. My man, welcome, bro. I like your icon on YouTube. Very good one. By the way, Code Red Games, how do you make it so that your icon is transparent? You're not streaming on Twitch as well? No, I'm not allowed to do that. I'm a Twitch affiliate. I can either stream on YouTube exclusively or on Twitch exclusively. So currently I'm streaming on YouTube because people told me to continue my YouTube journey.
What about your Twitch chat?
Yeah, Twitch chat is still a thing, of course. Of course, it is still a thing. Yeah, I just chose the same color as the dark theme Twitch background color, lol. On YouTube, it happens to be the same.
Then
oh,
no
I
big
see.
difference, emo.
Okay. So if it's a white YouTube layout, then yours will look different, right? I'm learning, Haskas. Can you see? I'm learning. Yes. Okay. How's it going for you? What is up with your new artist? You enjoy working with him? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, he's pretty good, but I need so much art. It's gonna take months to replace all the art. Even if the artist works on it like almost full time, it's gonna take that long. McBonal Cheesebug. Hey, Meo, how's it going? Hello there. You're getting pretty good at pixel art. Yeah. Like a couple of days ago, I would disagree, but yeah, I am. Actually, I am. No.
So much skill.
Chicken Nuggets new Patreon post real? Yeah, I'm gonna probably release videos earlier for Patreons to give some incentive for that too. And I'll post code more often. The next big update will be posted soon. Yeah. And trying to same movie with combine outliner and shadow. Trying the same motive with combine outliner and shadow. Is there someone watching over Twitch, Cakes? No. I cannot. I'm not allowed to do that. Ah! Sorry. I think it's not enough.
Beautiful pixel art. Yeah.
Hey, thank you, Code Red Games. There's a Twitch chat. Yeah, my Twitch is this. I usually stream on Twitch. My main stream is on Twitch. It's a good solid tree sound. Well, it's not solid yet, but it looks good. Thank you, Post Bunny. It has no colliders. Not yet, guys. Not yet. A little bit more. Needs a little bit more work.
Kleiner Test, ja.
Yeah. I mean, you can hear the TTS voices from Twitch. Yep. Of course.
Deine Mutter.
God, I'm getting good at this. Damn, bro! Holy shit, I'm good!
No
Sorry.
stop. Stop. No rudo.
Der ist ja so ein Clown, ey.
God, I'm getting... Oh, you're not... on both Twitch and YouTube at the same time? No, I'm not. I'm not allowed to do that because I'm a Twitch affiliate, and Twitch affiliates have the exclusivity contract, which means that I can only stream either on Twitch or on YouTube, but not both. Oops. No, it's open here. Ah, God damn it.
Twitch chat, we must rise and overpower YouTube chat.
Twitch chat is just superior, yeah. That's true.
Oops, I said that out loud.
Be nice.
Suck it as an riz.
I asked Carlo, that C++ Vulkan engineer, got about his stream. He hasn't monetized YouTube at all. He gets 0 from YouTube. What the heck, lol? What are you lulling about, Code Red Games? Interesting. So he just did not. He chose to not monetize YouTube. I see. Which I can understand. Like, he probably has a normal job, right? Not like me, who is trying to become a game developer.
Master, the calculations are in, and, the powers of your brain are overwhelming.
No, he's
Shut
retired.
the fucker up with the Japanese.
I see. I see, he's retired. Okay. That makes a difference as well. Okay.
Rudo.
Okay. Guys, can you behave? Fucking hell. Yeah, for me that doesn't... yeah, I'm literally trying to make this my job. So, the moment I can monetize YouTube, I will. I need to get everything I can.
Actually. Behave? Not in my watch.
Big retard player.
Until I have enough safety. I need the safety. That's the only reason. I never seen the shock redeem. Oh, really? No, by the way, what is Carlo Bot making in his engine? Like, it's still not done. He has been programming this for 3 months now. What does he want to have in his engine? Is it a 3D engine or something?
The filters are fucking horrifying, Cakez. Why must you give me these nightmares?
You're not so... You don't use them then if you don't like them, bro. As simple as that.
I'm not even using MWR. Bitch.
I wish I could clip that, lol. Just join Twitch, you'll be able to clip anything. YouTube has a clip system? Oh, they do? Interesting. I don't like YouTube's chat so much.
Cakez, how the fuck are we supposed to clip a YouTube stream on Twitch?
Whatever, dude. Whatever. I have other issues right now, okay? Like this tree stump. How about you help me with that? Instead of asking these questions. YouTube has pretty
Granddad.
speed clip ability. Shit, that doesn't look very good.
Eins, zwei, drei ABC.
Best? You think YouTube has the best clip system? Really? I don't know about that. Have you clipped on Twitch?
Lamar, you said beat. Skill issued.
Okay, there we have it. That's my tree stump. That's going to be another obstacle in the game. We have two. Yeah, it looks very good and it was fast. Gotta love Pokemon. Oh man, one of the best games ever made. Actually.
Cakez, I swear to God, if you even mention Vaporeon the tiniest bit, I will stab you.
What? I don't even know what that is. Now we start to break this apart a bit, you know, because it would look too boring.
Good.
If this was a straight... This was straight, right? We want to destroy that a bit. Yeah. Destroy! Sorry. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy pixel art.
Search up Vaporeon on Google.
I really enjoy doing pixel art. It's one of my favorite things that I learned when developing games. It's really... It is relaxing. Oopsie.
Cakez, search up Vaporeon and go to images. Do it.
No, not right now. Not right now.
Now.
Nope. Okay. Now I'm thinking this is okay. Then maybe we add in like a tiny crack over here. It's true, I forgot how cool it was to draw. Nice to get back to it. You got back to it because of the stream?
To search Vaporeon right now?
Nothing, because I have literally so much to do today that I'm
already giving you €5 monthly, not like this.
Dude. I literally don't have time for that today. Okay. And that fucking triggered me. Nothing motivated to do this?
It takes 2 seconds to search it up.
Yeah, but I'm doing this right now, bro. And it needs to be finished. Literally, the moment I turn off the stream, I have to run. Not kidding. I have to do stuff. Okay, we have 3 obstacles. And maybe we add in another one later. This one over here. Don't know that yet. We will think about that.
Well, time to spoil it for you.
Okay. 3 obstacles. Might as well move them properly. Oops. Over here. Oops. Oh, what is that?
Vaporeon is a Pokemon mostly known for the fact that it's made quite horny by people, quotes on people.
Okay. Well, if people enjoy that, who cares? Not my cup of tea.
Now you know.
Yeah, well, thank you, bro. Okay, good. 3 things. Yeah, that's what happens when you have to almost draw daily for over 1 year. Like 1 year long, you have to draw almost daily. That's what happens, right? It's not perfect, but it's not shit.
Honestly, I'm glad I just told you that instead of letting you search it up. Who knows, you could have had the same situation as the time you searched that Futon word up Kappa.
Futaria? I didn't know what that is. Lol. I thought it was something for fruits. Watching stream motivates. Need to use translator. I see. But YouTube cut messages before smile face emotion. Oh yeah, YouTube is bad. Oh, by the way, Haskas. Haskas. Look over here. In your chat. Look at the top. Live chat. Turn that into... for you, it can say top chat. Turn that to live chat. Then it shows all the messages. Okay, so let's add in more assets. Oopsie. Okay, thanks. So that's a sprite. Let's put this below tiles. Sprite. Obstacle. Obstacle. What is this, guys? This is a tree stump. What is this? A log? Sprite obstacle. What is that? What is this? I have no idea. Block? Pillar? Bottom?
It's a rock.
Nah, it's not a rock. It used to be a pillar, you know. Oops.
Your mom's a rock.
Guys,
Actually, broken pillar.
I have a feeling that no one really cares about the YouTube tutorials. I gotta be honest. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm wasting my time. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay, what is the position here? Get those in, and then we have to think about how we add those to the game. 80-144. I have a different version of the background with the arrangement of elements. Can I ask for feedback? Sure. Of course. You wanna post it in Discord? $160. Oops. Okay, now we have obstacles in the game. Imager? I have to link it on Twitch, right? Holy shit. Dude, this looks insane. This looks very cool. What the fuck? This looks insane. Damn, that looks cool. Box R revision for buttons and banners. Ah, I see. This is for the buttons and banners, yeah.
Damn you talented people.
Dude, this is his job. It's his job. Turkum Jerkum. If this was your job, it would look the same, I think. But yes, he is very, very good. Like, look at that. Looks so fucking cool. Dude, this is so cool. That looks so fucking cool, man. Holy shit. You don't have to make it so detailed, though. You don't have to make it so detailed, you know? Like, I hope you don't, yeah, it's insanely cool. Holy shit. Yeah, I would even use it like this. I would use it like this, bro. Already. It seems like you're a perfectionist. This looks great. Yeah, it looks insane. Well, I'm thinking, how do I place these obstacles so that they repeat the same way the tiles repeat? The tile repeating was already a difficult problem to solve. How do I do that now? I need some sort of box. What am I doing here? I have chunk tiles. And I have a world size. Which is not a world size, by the way. This is the screen size. Should call that screen size. This is better. Screen size makes more sense than world size. Now, how do we actually position those collision boxes? Having a collision box later on is not difficult to work with. Because I know how to do rectangle circular collision. That's not a big deal. We already have that, I think. Rect circle collision, yes. In Vampire Survivors, it's easier because for him, he's just disabling tiles, as far as I understand. In our case, we are going to have... Yeah, it's almost the same. Which tiles can be worked on, which ones can't. But for now, it's just about drawing. How do we do that? Also, let me change the light a bit. I think it's causing me a headache. Move that a bit away. So not being lit directly. Helps. Could change that then. To less. Right version, that makes a bit better. Let me see. I'm drawing the background. How do I do that? Loop inside the chunk. Okay, so we need to get the offset into the chunk. When we position items inside a chunk. So chunk width. And we need a table to place stuff inside our chunk. That makes sense. So we have an internal back2, or maybe let's call it struct collider, or maybe sprites. No. We need a bunch of colliders. Maybe we don't do that here, but we do this here. Which tile to lose? Loop inside the chunk. Chunk column, chunk row. Player tile offset. We have the chunk offset of the player, right? Okay. Obstacles inside the chunk. That's what we can do. First, we create a struct. Obstacle. And maybe that is something in the game. Not. I think it's in the game. But for now, let's keep it here. It has a sprite ID. Sprite ID. It has a rect collider. And that's all we need to have. Then obviously in the game state, game data. We have an array of colliders, max colliders. These are chunk colliders. But yeah, let's just call them colliders. Obstacles inside the chunk. So Chunk offset. How do we... Let's say we have a position, and then what do we do? It's inside the chunk. We have the chunk offset. I think I need to draw that down. Okay, let's assume that this is our... This is our chunk. And the player... Oops. And the player is somewhere here. That is the chunk offset. So basically a line from here to here, that is the chunk offset of the player. Chunk offset player. I think all I need to do is look at the positions. And let's say we have one collider over here. Then we need to take... We just pretend that it's relative to this. That makes sense. How do I draw these? In middle. You know what? I'm just gonna do a bunch of programming and see if it works or not. Let's put the obstacle over here. Game, init, game. Game set obstacles dot add. We add a bunch of obstacles. Let's add the first one, which is going to be the sprite obstacle log 32. Add position and size. Let's put it at 100 and 32. Now we have a log. Collider? Oh, it's an obstacle. Okay. Obstacle. Obstacles. And then max obstacles. Ah! Sorry. Max obstacles. Then we go into config.h and we say that's how many obstacles. Hello, hey Jaden. How's it going? We have quite large obstacles, so I don't know, let's say 50 most. I almost have NeoVim configured as an IDE. I just need the LSP and autocomplete to work better. You're gonna try it out now? Or have you done... Do you have NeoVim or Vim experience? I think once I add the same shortcuts that Visual Studio Code has to it, then I will just then it will just me switching over completely. I see. Is it reasonably fast? Half tile size. Draw sprite. I wonder if that works. I think I just draw the obstacle relative to the player. Offset. It's always in the middle. I think I do that, right? Position, game, state, player, position. Hello. Obstacle position. I think that's where we do obstacle. Dot sprite ID. Yeah, guys, I have to go soon. Obstacle position and then the obstacle collider dot size. Render option top left. Obstacle. Oh. Right now I have a file explorer, harpoon, window splitting, a bunch of cool key maps and language servers for autocomplete sort of thing. Isn't that slowing down things? So much to do. Okay, let's see. If there's an obstacle in the game now that is drawn wherever the player is. I don't see an obstacle. I don't see an obstacle. Nope. Can you guys see one? Or maybe it's just been drawn too late. This needs to be drawn after the for loop. Player chunk offset. Chunk row. Maybe after the tiles. That could be the reason. No. Still no. Oh wait. I have not exported that yet. Still not drawing though. What am I doing? Hi, can I compile the game on Linux or is it Windows specific? Sadly it's only Windows specific, but it works with Wine. As far as I know, you can use Wine to make it work. You would have to write another platform layer for it to work on Linux out of the box without any other programs. Where's my tree stump? And why is it not being drawn? I don't understand. Also, it's very laggy currently. Okay, now I can just stand here indefinitely and we can work on inspecting the code. Yeah, I want to fix this. I want the items, I want the obstacles to display. If I have this done, then I will place like 1 or 2 obstacles that repeat. Oh, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Gonna be okay. Wait, I think I know what the problem is. Why would you still use VS Code when you have 4Coder? Debugging. I have no other way to debug, bro. Wait, there is no obstacles? That's weird. I thought I... I thought I initialized the game with obstacles. Game state select hero. Oh, okay, so I need to add obstacles here. But also, there's another issue. The obstacle is based on the player offset. So we take the, we don't take that, but we have the player chunk offset. Player chunk offset X and Y. And that's how we need to draw the obstacles. Give me a second, guys, okay? 1 second. Remedy BG, it costs money. Dangerous here. Remedy BG costs money, bro. And why would I use it if I have a free alternative? And we do the same thing at Y. Yes, if I have more money later, I will buy that. I think. Try it out. TK bought it, as far as I know. He's not here right now. And it crashed for him. So he couldn't use it. I think it kept crashing on him, right? Coffee Lava should know. Okay. Obstacle position Y, X and Y. We do the player minus the obstacle. It might be the other way around. Stop giving me that. Stop! Let me just find the obstacle. I can't find an obstacle, bro. I use it every day and works perfectly for me. It should work perfectly for me too. But like, I don't think that there would be an issue. Where's this thing drawn? Oh wait, I need to close because it didn't initialize the game properly. Okay, now it's actually drawing it. Hopefully in the correct location. Top left. 100, 100. Oh, you see that at the bottom here? There it is! I see it! There's my tree chunk. It's wrong, but it is wrong. I think I need to do... Well, first of all, it shouldn't move. Or I think it moves in the wrong location. So I think we need to do collider minus player chunk offset. Yeah, once I have enough money, I'll buy it too. But currently, Remedy GP, I can't afford it. Yeah, I can't afford it either. It should stay in one spot. I can't find it now. Looks like it's off. Why is it not drawing now? Huh? It's gone. Eh? I don't know what's causing this to disappear, but I'm tired, so I'll copy the stupid code. I'm tired of this not performing well. So, where's that thing? Is the position at least right? It's not. I can't find it. And it's not drawing. It's also weird. I think the creator is very generous. If you tell him why you need it, he might get you a copy for free. Oh, I mean... Yeah, maybe, but I don't like that. I don't know, I don't like that. No. Where's my tree stump? Why is this not happening? Huh? Looking good though. I like the game. Hey, thank you, Pikachu. Thank you, bro. I didn't do the menu though. Why does it move away? Minus 1,000. Am I doing this wrong? Chunk offset. I'm 1,000 points into the chunk. I mean, that is correct, I suppose. So it should be in the top left here. But it's not. It's supposed to be here. Where's it now? -100. Ah, wait. We need to add in the screen position. Yeah. Wait. No. What do we need to do? Now that's the offset from the player. It's -100 to the left, which is correct. Like, how do I draw the other ones? Draw sprite. Kind of. Pickups. Get screen position. Get screen position is screen middle. Take the player position. Minus the player position. Screen middle plus position. Okay, what do I need to do here? I need to add in the screen middle, do I? Over here, we just need to add in the screen middle, which would be the plus. Screen middle X and Y. Screen middle hides previous declaration. Okay, so we already have the screen middle. And then I would like to multiply this by 2. I want to multiply that by unit scale, which I think is 1.5. So I want to draw these times 2. And then we are going to change unit scale at some point from 1.5 to 2. And then we change the sprites. Make the units a bit smaller. Something like that. Ah, okay. Finally, there we have it. There is the log, and it should repeat every time. Shit. Is it not long enough for it to swap? That's annoying. How do I make the pop go away? I need it to repeat. To the left and to the right. How do I do that? Puddle just appears out of nowhere. I hate it! It's not good enough. I'm having fun. I'm sorry. I'm actually having fun playing the game. Oh boy. Shit. Okay. This log. I need to draw it to the left and to the right as well. And to the top and to the bottom. Draw left. Draw right chunk. Draw in left right chunk. Draw in left chunk. Draw in right chunk. Draw in chop. chunk. Drawing left, bottom chunk. Drawing top chunk. So we just need to add in a little bit more here. To the obstacle position over here, we do obstacle. Wait, the right chunk takes in plus vec2 chunk size. I wonder if we have that. Probably not, right? Fuck! God damn it. What did I just do? Okay. Chunk width. Yeah, we need to take the chunk width. Chunk width. And then over here we do obstacle position plus, or maybe minus chunk width. I think it's minus. Chunk width. 0.5. One of this is okay. It's drawing those. Does it ever disappear? It disappears here. If I go too high, then it disappears. Which sucks. So I'm doing it wrong. Maybe minus. So minus would be plus. That works. Okay, so I don't know. I draw them. Damn it. Shit. I need to draw more. I think it's an if check. Or maybe I just draw the left one also. Like over here we do plus. This is top and bottom. And maybe we do minus here as well. Wait, if I'm high, I need to do plus for the right, for the top chunk, which would draw me the bottom one. I think I also need to do a left one. Left, right, top, and I think bottom. Makes absolutely no sense. Let's see if that works. I have no idea. No, it still doesn't work. It works if I'm in this puddle over here, but it doesn't work going down. The moment I go, it's missing the minus part. Missing this part over here. I think. No? No? God damn it. Oh my god, my brain. I'm too stupid. If I get this, then I'm good. I think. At least visually. What happens? I'm going down by the chunk width. I'm just not going to the right. No? It disappears. So I'm in the top chunk and I'm drawing to the right. I need to draw 9 sprites. I need to draw 9 sprites, I think. Depends where I am in the chunk. Oh god, is that annoying? Oh man. I thought it was easy. Not so easy. I wanna draw it to the right. I think we should work with one dimension only first. Which is I'm drawing it to the left and I'm drawing it to the left. Right. So draw it in current chunk. And then draw in left chunk. Which would draw this again. But at the position minus or plus vec2 chunk with but minus. So we draw it on the in the left chunk. And then we draw it in the right chunk. Which is literally the exact same. But instead of minus, we do plus over here. Now we have it to the left and we have it to the right. Now I want to draw it in the top chunk. From our current chunk.
I hope Mio isn't here to yell at me. I'm getting a T if you are gone by the time I get back.
Bye 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 bye.
Hazen, my man. We will see. I would definitely want to fix this chunking thing because collisions, after I have done this, collisions are going to be piss easy. I just take the obstacles, get my current chunk offset, and if I'm colliding with any of the obstacles, boom. I don't move in that direction. Ho 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 ho, very easy. So the top chunk would be I go up. That's why I draw this. And then the bottom chunk would be the exact same code. But plus down. In my opinion, that is everything I need. Because I'm drawing it in the current chunk, I'm drawing it in the right chunk, I'm drawing it in the left chunk, I'm drawing it in the top chunk, and I'm drawing it in the bottom chunk. I don't see how... And it does not work. Why? The bottom chunk is not being drawn. Makes absolutely no sense. No, makes no sense. Ah, wait. I need to draw it in the bottom. I see, I draw it in the left. I draw it in the right chunk. I need to draw it in the top left chunk. I need to draw it in the top right chunk. I need to draw it in the bottom left chunk. I need to draw it in the top bottom right chunk. Yeah, I need to draw 9. So this is left, right. Then I need to do top left and top right. So if it's top left, then we do minus chunk width. At this point, we can break this up. And then over here, we do chunk width for top right. I mean, it can be done easier, but if it works, it works. And no one's gonna be like, oh, look at this shitty code. Who cares? It's important that it works. Left is minus chunk width. And right is chunk width. Alright, now this time it should work. If it doesn't... Huh? Ah, fine. Are you fucking kidding me? Top and bottom chunks are missing. Of course, the top and bottom chunks are also missing. Of course they are missing. Top chunk. And bottom chunk, top and bottom. They are also missing. You fucking piece of fucking shit, you dumb fucking cunt. Fuck shit. Fuck you. Oh, wait, I'm a dumbass. That's supposed to be plus. That's my own fault. No? Okay, now it finally works. Ah, we finally have the obstacles in the game. And what do we do with them? We can add the player movement in the collision. So we get a direction. Space. If the key is pressed space, what does it do? Pushing. Oh, we can push enemies using space. Direction length. Is direction length greater than 0? Direction divided by direction. Position plus equals direction. Okay, so we do a vec2 heading, which is B position plus direction times delta time times B speed. Okay. Now we do a for loop. Obstacle edx is 0. Obstacle edx is less than game state. Obstacle count. Obstacles count. Obstacle edx plus plus. So we go over all obstacles and then we get an obstacle. Obstacle game state. You know what, guys? I'm gonna switch my keyboard. You noticed I've gotten more quiet. My girlfriend came home and is sleeping. And yeah, she actually only slept like 3 hours because she's dumb. Told her to go to bed earlier. So I'm pretty sure she's gonna sleep for like 2 hours, 3 hours. I don't want to wake up though, so I'm switching the shitty keyboard. Obstacle on obstacle edx, which is, it's fine. I'm almost done anyways, and then I have to do the other shit. We're like with the car and copy a bunch of stuff. And work on the YouTube video. And I want food. If... what is that? Rect. Circle collision. I think we have get player collider function, right? Or what do we have? Get collider. Does it return a circle? Yeah, takes in the player. Player collider. Circle. Get collider, none of the two overloads. Get pickup collider. Get collider, oh yeah. Takes in the value of P. So we have the player collider and we want to take the obstacle dot rect or collider using the player against the player collider. And I think I also have a penetration. I don't. Projected position. Oh no. I need the projected position. I need the projected position. Fuck, man. That sucks. Hey Pikachu, how's your game going? Your JavaScript, or your Java game, not JavaScript. I need a vec2 pointer penetration. Projected position. Or is it a float? What do? I don't move at all. I want a new keyboard. I think penetration is good, right? Projected position. Point and circle. Let me just get the distance to that point, right? How do I do that? Projected position, that's a position. That's the circle. Do you get the length from that? Distance to that, that's how close to the end we are. Oh god, is that annoying. How do I do that? How do I get the penetration? Why do you want a new keyboard? I saw your setup. It looked lit, bro. Guys, I'm too stupid. I'm too stupid. Oh, I don't like what I have to do. We do position. Let me see. Point direction is the projected position minus dot position. And then we normalize that. Wait, no. We want the length. No. Fuck, man. What do we want? That's the direction towards the point from the middle of the circle. Right? Or do I want the other? Like I want to go from the middle towards the... No, wait. I want to go towards the projected position. But I need to draw this. Oh my god. I have a circle. And I have a rectangle. And this is where they collide. And that's the middle of the circle. Now, I can get a vector to this point in this direction. But I want the other point. I want to go towards this. And then I take the length of this. How long is this? The length. The length. And I remove from that length this length. Or I take this length and I remove L. So I'm interested in this part. And then I normalize this direction to 1. And I scale it by this length. Okay. So we go to the circle position, which is circle position minus projected position. And then we get a float length or point length. Length to point is length from point direction. Pixel art is hard. I'm trying to create a portal that sends characters to the next level. Pixel art is hard. I want one to control my work computer. And personal at the same time. Dual keyboard and mouse. Oh, you think? Oh. Damn. You can't do that? Okay. I would just be confused. Can't you just get a cheap keyboard? For example, this keyboard cost me 8 euros. And it came with a mouse. Like some cheap ass keyboard. Okay, length to point. And we have the radius. We float penetration length is the c dot radius minus the length to point, and then the vec2 penetration direction is normalized point direction, and then the penetration is penetration direction times penetration length. Okay. I think we have it. Rect circle collision 0. Penetration. Oh, that is push out direction actually. Push out direction. Never again, my keyboard was 100 pounds and like 15% of the keys are broke and I hate it. Never again. I mean, if you don't really need to do special gaming things with it, why would you use it? Why would you not use it, but why would you buy yourself a ginormous keyboard? You know, Makes no sense to me. Unless you literally have the money left over, right? Push out direction. If push out direction. Penetration direction. Push out direction. Push out. Let's call it push out. I think I like that better. Then we call it push out direction. Bluetooth, yes, toggle 1 and 2. Okay, let's see if it works. I wonder if it works the first time. It never does, but who knows? Yeah, it doesn't do shit. Does not do shit. Wonder if that actually happens, the collision. The obstacle position is wrong. Of course, yeah, I need to wait. I need to get the chunk offset of the player. Get chunk that has to happen. Pad position, P position. The only thing I really hate about my keyboard is the mute button and volume roller thing. I use it too much. The keyboard for work takes up so much space, so I don't use the laptop keyboard. So I just use the laptop keyboard, but rather not if I can. I see. For me, it was, I always used the laptop when I was working at home. I had the laptop just standing in front of me. Otherwise, it was just too much hassle. And I had a mouse. Like, I had a mouse. I needed a mouse, for sure. But the keyboard was just from the laptop. I just got used to it. Because it's so small. So off. Eh? This makes no sense. Why is there no obstacles? Why is this code not happening? Maybe I needed to tile size undeclared identifier. Ah, wait. Tile size. 64 by 64 times unit scale, huh? That's not good. Okay. Well, that does make no sense. Do I have at least obstacles? I do. Okay. Okay, now I just want to see if it ever collides. Whoa. Hey. Oh, it is colliding. Interesting. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, oh. The collider is a bit weak. Otherwise, it's good. I think the collider is weak because... Fog? Yeah, close. Close. Almost close. Because the collider is in 32 by 32 and I need to scale that by the unit scale. Which means that the obstacle... Obstacle dot... collider dot size times equals unit scale. No operator found which takes left hand operator of vec 2 and a... Okay, then I just do X and Y. Okay. I have a feeling that it should be here. Not that far down. I think I want to draw the player collider real quick. Like left and right is good, and maybe top is also okay. Or maybe I give the player a rectangular collider. I give the player a rectangular collider. Not sure. Because I can literally move on top of this, which I don't know if that's what I want. You know, not sure if that's what I want. What if I have a rectangular collider on the player? That's the size of the sprite. Let's look at the sprite size that we have. They are 48 by 48, but each one of those is... How thick are they really? 32 by 32? Yeah, 32 by 32. So you do minus 16 here on X. And then if we go by height, Well, how much really? 22 minus 22 and then double that. So 32 and 44. That would be the obstacle collider. And then we could say, okay, player obstacle collider. Instead of get collider, we could have a internal direct get obstacle collider. And we would have that for enemies too. We have that for enemies too. What do? We do return position plus. Player.position plus obstacle. Obstacle collider. Then P obstacle collider. Put size. Obstacle collider position. Obstacle collider size. And then over here, instead of the player collider being a circle, we have rect. Do we have rect collision? That's a lot more difficult, isn't it? We don't have a rect collision. God damn it. Well, we're gonna stay with the circle collider, I suppose, huh? We just make it a bit bigger. I suppose, yeah. Okay, we stay with the circle collider. I can't be bothered to make this proper. Yeah. It's a nice idea, but if I don't have a collision for that, we have penetration. Maybe in my engine. Let me check. Maybe in Cakez. No, I don't have a rect collision. We have point and rect. But there's no rect collision. Yeah. Nope. So we do this. We get the player collider and make it a bit bigger. That's all. Make the collider bigger against obstacles. And that's a circle over here. Let's try that. How does that feel? It's not 100% perfect, but we can even make it a tiny bit bigger. Why are we scaling this to unit scale, but not the player collider? That makes absolutely no sense. Then we just make this twice as big. That makes absolutely no sense either. I have no clue if I have to scale this or not. But it works. Yeah, I'm starting to get confused, guys. I think it's time for a stop. It's already 2 hours and I already have 4 hours on this. I think this is good. Yeah. That's okay. I don't like that I'm penetrating that far over here. I wanna place another collider. Also, where's the collider at? Obstacles.add, yeah. Why do I have to do this here? I'm just drawing these bigger. Why can I not do this here? Or why can I not do this? I literally do this here, so if I add obstacles... This. Why is that not... Why is this being overwritten? Okay, I think I'm almost done, and okay, it looks like it's working fine. The one thing I don't understand is why can I penetrate so much? So I want to draw another obstacle here. I would like to add one. I want to add, oops. I want to add the log. If this is position 100, 100. Oh, I know why, I think. Or do I? I want to position him 32 pixels down. Another log. Wonder what happens here. Yeah, there's a there's definitely an issue here. Do I have to position them based on their scale? Instead of 32, I position them 64 pixels down. And then 64 is 128. 228. Also, love to put this somewhere else for now. So I can always update this while the game is running. I mean, not bad. We do have some obstacles now. Okay, let's place a couple of random obstacles for fun, and then if someone wants to put in more obstacles, they can do so. So I want to have a tree, jump. Eh? Oh, it's 48, yeah. I think the position needs to be scaled too for these obstacles. There's something is definitely off. I need to fix that tomorrow. I'm doing a mistake with the position. Okay, where do I place that? Maybe 600 in and then 200 down or something. Then that's 48. Could you use another tree stump? 820, 840, then 600 down. And then another obstacle pillar bottom. Which I think I want to create some sort of ward. So I think we start off at we have 1,600 going for us, right? So we do 1,400. That's where we start. So I want to place like 4 pillars to the left and then 4 pillars to the right. And then for the top one, do here, which that's top. And then that's the left side. Okay, so for the top one, we need to change the X coordinate. And maybe 280, 28 is a bit annoying. Let's use 400. If I move to the right, we need to do that in 64 increments. 64. 500. 64, 512. Plus 64 is 67. 76. 67. And then 6. Dude, I have no idea. It's wrong anyways. Let's start off with 1,300. Plus 64 is that plus 64. Plus 64. 28. Okay, so that's 28. Interesting. So that's 1,400. If I start with 1,300. And then plus 68. 64. 1,492. And then we have 1,500 something. 56. Okay, that would be the top part. And then the left part starts with 1,300. 400. And then we draw 4 times the left part. Which is easy now, 64, because we have done that before. That's 528. 592. And then 656. We can do the same thing for the right part. Except we don't need this part here. And we don't need that part. We just need to do 1,556 everywhere. Let's see if this works. Should work. Okay, there's the tree stump. Can't move on to that. Oh. It's drawing trees. It's drawing small trees. Interesting. I can't move here, but I can move. Okay, very interesting. Must have done something wrong. The tree stumps work. Left, right should also be okay. Bottom. 1000, 160, 400. Ah, over here, 144. That's number 1. Wait, how's that offset correct? Oh wait, the chunk offset is different. True. So I need to make bigger chunks, I suppose. Also their size is kinda off. Eh? That's not 32 by 32, is it? Sag, okay, so I have to put them in a different location, huh? Further down, I suppose. Okay, so I need to use 800, I suppose. Okay, that looks much better. Now I can go in here and I can get trapped. I can't go out. I suppose I need to move a tree as well. And I need to move it down, of course. Instead of 400. It works, huh? Nice. I wanna use 700. Yeah, look at this. I can't move in to this. The enemies can move through this still. Should I do this now? Fine. I have a feeling that I'm like kind of wasting my time right now, but I would love to do this. Okay, we have a function that's called getChunkOffset. What am I missing? Oh yeah. Okay, so we have a getChunkOffset and we can use that. I'm not using it here. Can't be bothered. But I can use it where I update the player. Where's my getChunkOffset? There we go. I mean, it does work, so... Do I really want to do this? Nah, I'm doing this in another day. It's gonna take too long, and I literally have other stuff to do. It's already 4 PM. Okay. And I also think that I need a break. So, guys, I'll push this. We added collision to the player. Next is to add collision to the enemies.
Looks left and right for Mio Mio.
Bye 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 bye.
Mio Mio is already gone. Let me push this real quick. It's commit -m, edit, player, obstacle, collision. Enemies need to collide. The push. Okay. Good. Okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the stream. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. On Twitch.